Everybody, my mailman just came and I just got the Halloween 4K Ultra HD and Blu-ray in. This is a slipcover. In the back, you can see Nick Castle on the back and Jamie Lee Curtis and PJ Souls with a Alright guys, let's see, we got the 4K transfer, obviously you need a 4K TV and a 4K Blu-ray player. I have the 4K Samsung low budget TV with a Xbox One S, so I can watch the 4K on it. So, and the good thing about 4K is they're region free, and you can run them on any player. It's got the auto commentary with my eyes are really bad with writer director John Carpenter and it's got a commentary with John Carpenter and Jamie Lee Curtis on here, so that's pretty sweet. But I think it's got all the special features that were on all the million other releases. I bought this on VHS with the holographic cover. I bought the 2-disc DVD of this. I had the old scan Blu-ray. I bought the Dean Cundey Blu-ray. I bought the 15-disc box set. So this is probably my sixth or seventh copy of Halloween now. So, but this is the 4K. So that's the reason I bought it, because it is my favorite movie of all time, and I was dying to have it in 4K, so that's why I bought it. So, and I'm pretty sure it's a Dean Cundey scan on here. So you get the Dean Cundey print, not the old cold print. It's the new Dean Cundey print. So. Yep, it's the you get the 20, you get the, this is supposed to be like the 40th anniversary edition, but you get the 35th anniversary edition Blu-ray artwork and the Dean Cundey print, and you get the here's the Blu-ray and the 4K scan. It's the same 35th anniversary edition cover art from that release, of course, because it's the Dean Cundey print. So that's why they used it. Alright guys, I guess if I watch it tomorrow, or I might do a video talking about the picture quality of it, because I've seen the other ones like a million. I've seen it like 10 times Halloween, so it's like my favorite movie of all time, maybe more than 10 times, I'm not sure, but I'm watching it since I was a late teen, so around every Halloween. So alright, so this is the Halloween 4K edition, the Blu-ray. And definitely gonna be checking this out after I because my wife doesn't like horror movies, so when she's at work or something, I'll watch it on our 4K TV in her bedroom and check it out and see how it is. So it looks awesome. She's working tomorrow, so I'm gonna try to get it in tomorrow. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to upload my poster videos today. The one kind of got screwed up on my one part 5, the one that was signed, because the phone went the other way and there's no way to flip it around on the phone. So I might just upload that, redo it again another time and upload that one, but it has the wrong signature on it anyway, because I had Miguel Nunez Jr. that played Damien in part 5 son. He wrote Spider from Return of the Living Dead, because I had him sometimes something from Return of the Living Dead too. I guess he didn't realize. So, but I did videos all my Paramount ones today regardless, and I'm going to do my New Line ones tomorrow. So, alright guys, later. I'll see you next video. Thanks for watching. Okay, take care, and I'll see you next video. Bye.